Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log in to DeepL. So actually guys, that's too simple, okay? So all you need to do is to go and open up your favorite browser, even if you're using Opera GX, Google Chrome, Safari if you're on a Mac, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Okay, and then just go with the deepl.com website. Type it on the search bar at the top of the browser. Okay, then hit enter in your keyboard and then go with log in option that's located at the top right corner of the website. Okay, and right now what I want you to do is to go and type your email right here and the password and then just hit log in. So sometimes it can show you the login method. So if you want to go with the email or Gmail, Facebook, Apple, or the Apple ID extra, okay, so you can choose from these login methods, or you can just go with email and password as you can see right here, and then just go and click on login. Okay, so that way you will enter your account inside the DeepL, and now you have the free will. So you can go with the DeepL translator right here. You can copy paste texts, or you can type to translate. You can see you can drag the files, Word, the PDFs, etc. Okay, and drag them just right hand. Choose the language from here. You can go with translate files. You can go with DeepL write, DeepL voice, so you can use your microphone, etc. So there are too many features on DeepL. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.